In today's quick AI news update, I want to talk to you about the speed at which large language models such as ChatGPT responds to our prompts. Now, before I get going, a quick request. Take a second and hit the subscribe button. It's a simple tap of the finger, and that's all it takes. And it's greatly appreciated. Here I am writing a simple one-shot prompt in ChatGPT. You are a professor of mathematics. List the main chapters that should make up a textbook on an introduction to calculus. Now, I'm using ChatGPT Plus, so the response doesn't take too long. Now, large language models such as ChatGPT are trained using specific parallel processing units, a computer chip that can perform many calculations at once. Graphics processing units, such as those by NVIDIA, like those used by gamers, are great at the task of training a model from huge amounts of data. Now, once the model is trained with just the right values for its billions or even upwards of 1 trillion parameters, we start to use the model by entering prompts. Now, this is called inference. When inference is done on similar computer architecture, such as those used for training, we have a bit of a problem: speed. Large language models predict the next word in a sentence, one by one. It must rebuild every time a new word is added. Along comes the language processing unit by GROQ, a new chip architecture designed very specifically for inference. I will leave a link in the description below to a video by CNN that shows the speed of the new chip. Before you go off and watch that video, let's take a look at GROQ. Here on the GROQ homepage, we can test the inference speed. We can choose between open source models. Now let's use the same prompt that we used at the start of the video, where ChatGPT took several seconds to complete its response. Now that was quick. Hopefully we will soon see these chips in use when we interact with large language models. I think it will do wonders for the usability of the technology. Make it feel more natural to use. Now that was all for this quick AI news video. I hope you found it at least useful. If you didn't do it at the start of the video, please tap on that subscribe button right now. Thanks, and let me know in the comments if you find the response times of large language models to be a problem for you.